Paulit-ulit ka bang nadi-deny sa housing loan dahil wala kang ITR or payslip? Gusto mo ng bahay near Alabang or Makati pero feeling mo hindi ka qualified? Tara, may ipapakilala ako sa'yo. Hi, this is Junyang Bao, your property consultant here in Laguna. Good news, may option para sa'yo. Dito, sa Olivares Homes, Binyan City, may flexible payment options ka na swak kahit self-employed, freelancer, or walang traditional income docs. Imagine this, mas malapit sa work, mas maraming time sa family, at may sariling bahay ka na sa secure na community. Two-story townhouse with 2 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, may carport, complete turnover, lipat kaagad. Gated with 24/7 security with swimming pool and basketball court. Malapit sa Southwoods, exit, malls, hospitals, and even school for only 4.65 million with flexible financing. Gusto mong malaman kung pasok ka dito? Comment flexible or message me now for free computation and site viewing. Limited unit lang, baka maunahan ka pa.